7 benefits of purple sweet potatoes. What if I told you there's a type of sweet potato that contains 3 times more antioxidants than the regular ones you're probably eating right now? And what if that same sweet potato has been the secret weapon of the longest living people on Earth? I'm talking about purple sweet potatoes. Now, when you cut one open, the flesh inside is this deep, vibrant purple color that honestly looks too stunning to be real. And here's the thing, that purple color isn't just beautiful. It's actually the visible sign of something incredibly powerful happening inside. You see, most sweet potatoes we eat have pale yellow or orange flesh. They're healthy, sure. But purple sweet potatoes are in a completely different league. That rich purple color comes from anthocyanins, the same antioxidant compounds found in blueberries and red wine, except purple sweet potatoes are absolutely packed with them. We're talking significantly higher levels than almost any other food. Here's what really blew my mind. In Okinawa, Japan, one of only 5 blue zones in the world, where people regularly live past 100 in remarkable health, purple sweet potatoes have been eaten daily for centuries. The Okinawan elders who are living these extraordinarily long, disease-free lives grew up on these purple gems. Not the regular yellow ones, not orange ones, purple ones. And scientists believe this isn't just coincidence. So why does this matter for you? Because while a regular sweet potato gives you fiber and some vitamins, a purple sweet potato delivers all of that, plus a massive concentration of brain-protecting, heart-loving, inflammation-fighting compounds that could genuinely impact your long-term health. Today we're diving into 7 science-backed reasons why purple sweet potatoes deserve a spot in your diet. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore why this purple powerhouse might be one of the smartest food swaps you make this year. One loaded with powerful antioxidants. Let's start with that gorgeous purple color we mentioned. That's not just for show. The deep purple hue comes from anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries, blackberries, and red cabbage. But here's the thing, purple sweet potatoes actually contain higher levels of anthocyanins than many other purple foods. Why does this matter? Antioxidants are like your body's cleanup crew. They fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. By eating foods rich in antioxidants like purple sweet potatoes, you're giving your body the tools it needs to protect itself from oxidative stress. Think of it as giving your cells a shield against daily wear and tear. 2. Supports brain health and memory. Here's something that really caught my attention. Research suggests that those same anthocyanins we just talked about may help protect your brain. Studies have shown that these powerful compounds can cross the blood-brain barrier and may help improve memory and cognitive function. As we age, it's natural to worry about keeping our minds sharp. The good news is that including purple sweet potatoes in your diet might help support brain health over time. Some research even suggests they may help reduce inflammation in the brain, which is linked to cognitive decline. It's not a magic bullet, of course, but it's definitely a delicious way to support your brain health as part of a balanced diet. 3. May help manage blood sugar levels. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Sweet potatoes for blood sugar? But here's what makes purple sweet potatoes so fascinating. Research has shown that the anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes may actually help improve insulin sensitivity and support healthy blood sugar regulation. What makes them even more interesting is that purple sweet potatoes have been shown to slow down the digestion of starches. This means the sugars are released into your bloodstream much more gradually, giving you steady, sustained energy, rather than those sharp spikes and crashes that leave you reaching for more snacks an hour later. Think of it like a slow-burning log versus quick-burning kindling. What makes them even more interesting is that they contain a unique type of storage protein that may help slow down digestion and the absorption of sugars. This means they can provide sustained energy without causing dramatic spikes in your blood sugar levels. For anyone watching their blood sugar, or just trying to avoid those afternoon energy crashes, this is really valuable information. Plus, the fiber content helps you feel fuller longer, which is always a bonus. 4. Promotes healthy digestion. Speaking of fiber, let's talk about your gut. Purple sweet potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. We're talking about both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. But it gets even better. These purple powerhouses also act as prebiotics, meaning they feed the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to so many aspects of health, from your immune system to your mood. By nurturing those beneficial bacteria with foods like purple sweet potatoes, you're investing in your overall wellness in ways that reach far beyond just digestion. 5. Supports heart health. Your heart works tirelessly every single day, so doesn't it deserve some nutritional support? Purple sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out the effects of sodium in your diet. They also contain fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. But remember those anthocyanins we keep talking about? They're heart heroes too. Research suggests they may help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Some studies have even shown that regular consumption of anthocyanin-rich foods is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. It's like giving your heart a loving hug from the inside. 6. May have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a hot topic in health and wellness these days, and for good reason. While acute inflammation is a normal and helpful response to injury, chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health issues, from arthritis to heart disease to autoimmune conditions. The anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes have been shown to possess significant anti-inflammatory properties. They work at the cellular level to help reduce inflammatory markers in the body. This doesn't mean purple sweet potatoes are a cure-all, but incorporating them into an overall anti-inflammatory diet rich in whole foods, vegetables, and healthy fats can be part of a comprehensive approach to managing inflammation naturally. 7. Supports immune function. Let's wrap up with something we all care about, especially these days: immune health. Purple sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals that support your immune system. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which we all know is important for immune function, but they also contain vitamin A, vitamin E, and various minerals that work together to keep your defenses strong. The antioxidants we've discussed also play a role here. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, they help create an environment where your immune system can function optimally. Think of it as maintaining your body's natural defense system, so it's always ready when you need it. So there you have it. 7 incredible benefits of purple sweet potatoes, from powerful antioxidants to brain support, blood sugar management, digestive health, heart protection, anti-inflammatory effects, and immune support. Pretty impressive for one humble root vegetable, right? The best part is that purple sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can roast them, mash them, add them to smoothies, make them into fries, or even use them in baked goods. They have a slightly sweeter, nuttier flavor than regular sweet potatoes, and that gorgeous color makes any dish look absolutely stunning. If you haven't tried purple sweet potatoes yet, I really encourage you to pick some up next time you're at the store or farmer's market. Your body will thank you, and honestly, your taste buds will too. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more nutrition tips and health insights. And hey, if you've already tried purple sweet potatoes, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite way to prepare them. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, take care of yourself, eat well, and remember that small, delicious changes can make a big difference in your health journey. See you in the next video.